Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this desk clamp power strip. Now this is really cool. If you have a bunch of wires on your desk, things like that, and you need to manage them, me as a content creator, I know I always have wires all over the place for cameras and computers and sound devices, lights, things like that. So this is going to be absolutely fantastic. It's going to have 9 of your regular plugs on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then here up front, you also are going to have some USB connections. You're going to have a USB-C on one side, USB-C on the other side, and then down here on the bottom, you're going to have 2 USB-A's. These are PD ports for your USB-Cs. This one over here is rated for 45 watts. This one is rated for 20 watts. The cord on here is going to be 6 feet long. You have a power switch right there, and then you have your little clamp right here, which just easily attaches right here to the back, actually on this side, and then you can clamp it down. You're going to have a 1.8-inch gap in there, so that is the maximum thickness of your desk. And if you don't want to have this clamp on here, they do include a little screwdriver type thing so that you can take that off and then just use it as like a standard type surge bar. Overall, I think this thing is really, really cool. It's going to be great for managing those cords, whether that be in your office or wherever else you need to manage those cords. So I highly recommend this one. Go ahead and check it out.